Dealing with a blue screen error on your computer can be frustrating and confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the blue screen error and get your computer back up and running. Let's get started. If you're seeing a blue screen error or any other similar issue, here's what you need to do. First, restart your computer. While it's turning off and before it starts back up, hold down one of these keys, F8, F9, F10, or Shift. Different computers use different keys, so you may need to try a few until you get to the right screen. Once you're on the recovery screen, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Next, choose Startup Repair. Select your account, enter your password if you have one, and click Next. This will diagnose your computer and attempt to fix the issue. For most of you, this first method should solve the problem, but if it doesn't, go back to the recovery screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select System Restore. If you have a restore point saved on your computer, choose it and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions, and this should fix the issue. Remember, the first method works for about 90% of users, so give it a try before moving on to the second step. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the blue screen error and get your computer running smoothly again. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.